in my talk, I will share how the Alibaba Cloud and continue to innovate our technology stack to better to support such applications. So before we go into the details, right? So the past like months and the Olympic Games was fantabular, right? So I think there's a lot of the great things that happened during the Olympic Games, and we all enjoyed. And in fact, this Olympic Games is completely powered by Alibaba Cloud, right? So this is the great showcase of our global presence and the full stack technologies to fully to support our international business. So in this talk, I will cover two aspects. And in the AI era, so how we continue to innovate our AI infrastructures and to facilitate different kind of the AI training and the inferencing and enable more and more AI applications. And secondly, I will also cover our latest development, our AI models, right, particularly Qwen families, and so that you can get a better overview of how capable the models that can and how can they be integrated into your applications. So first, AI infrastructures, right? So we hear so many talked about our AI, but in fact, in this kind of AI innovations, and requires the complete renovation of our the computer science stack, particularly in the area of in the space of the cloud computing. Right? In the past, we've been innovating our cloud computing technology and architectures to better to support AI. Right? In this new era model in AI and will become the true entities, we need to innovate our complete technology stack to better to support such applications. So specifically, right? So we need to from the bottom up, we need to better to integrate the different kind of the GPUs and create power efficient and the GPU servers, and then we need to have a high performance networking and to connect them together so that they can all working together to serve a big model training and task. At the same time, we also need to provide highly performant storage system, right, so that we can provide a large volume of the data and to support a huge number of the small files, right? And on top of that, we also need to add the container support, right? So then in this case, we can provide the different kind of the resource allocation and also isolation for different tasks, so we can better support the multi-tenancy environment. So all of those are putting together our ranging cloud computing clusters. And this is kind of highly efficient and integrated stack for AI computing. So on top of that, we also have a unified heterogeneous computing platform called Pi, right? So these platforms enable automatically optimization for your AI pipelines, no matter whether you are training a model or whether you are doing the AI inference, right? So the Pi model, the Pi platforms can automatically manage all your resource, right? Can do a better scheduling, match your particular needs, and then dynamically switch roles from model training to model inferencing, right? In this case, can to increase the utilization of your GPU resource and then further reduce the cost, right? So this is the highly efficient platform to support, enable the AI applications. Another thing I want to mention is the security, right? So the security means a lot in the new AI era. In fact, we need to rethink about how to apply the security across all the AI stacks, particularly from the model training perspective. And we need to start with the data preparation, and data cleaning, the security measurement, and also finally the evaluation for the models. So all of those need to fully integrate with the secure manners, right? And then once we provide the model inference, provide the model service to the external customers, we also want to make sure that everything is done in the secure manner, right? So we need to provide the private link and also isolated kind of the secure data storage, so we can integrate with the local knowledge. And we also provide the privacy protections and also the secure cloud. So all of those are very important for our enterprise usage of all the generative AI applications. So that's kind of like a lot of the innovation in the infrastructure layers to support AI applications.